Hey guys, Jay here, welcome to Eons of Battle, and today I'm going to show you how to create a base for your Bone Harvester Necrons. Here are the paints I'll be using. The first thing I did is I marked out spots where I can safely put material so that they won't get in the way of his feet, and then I poked the Necron off of the base. Then I took some cork and I superglued it down to the areas I just marked out. Once that was dry, I ripped off the top of the cork to leave just a little bit of a mound of material behind. Then I mixed myself up some basing paste using wall putty, some black ink, and some medium grit sand. Once that was mixed up, I applied it to the base. And then I poked out the spot where the Necron pegs in, and then I attached him back to the base. Then I picked out some skulls to decorate the base with. Here, these are some resin skulls I found from Green Stuff World, and I'm also going to use some plastic skulls out of the Games Workshop Skulls box. After I cleaned these models up, I superglued them one by one to the base, pushing them into the still wet basing putty. Once I left that to dry overnight, I then poked the Necron off the base, and then I primed the model black. I'm using an airbrush, but you could also use a rattle can to do this. I then base coated the model with some Vallejo chocolate brown, and once that was dry, I dry brushed the base with some Vallejo earth. Next, I did a lighter dry brushing with some Vallejo bone white. And then I dry brushed just the skulls with some white. Then I splattered some Citadel Technical Paint Blood for the Blood God onto the base using an old toothbrush. Then I used my brush to apply a few small pools of the blood. Once that was dry, I put the Necron back on the base, and I painted the rock that comes attached to his foot to match the base. And then to finish the base, I painted the rim with some black paints. And there is a finished base for your Bone Harvester Necrons. If you like the look of this Necron, you can watch our video from yesterday on how we painted it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you've enjoyed Necron Week. If you have any suggestions on videos you would like to see us do, please leave in the comments below. If you followed along with this tutorial, please post your work to Instagram and tag Eons of Battle so that we can share it. Thanks for watching.